Myself, Professor P.S. Joseph from KK College of Horticulture, Nashik. Today we are going to see the introduction of plant pathology, meaning, scope and objectives of plant pathology with some examples of plant diseases. First, definition of plant pathology. The science which deals with the study of diseases of plant, their development and control is called as plant pathology. Plant pathology deals with the study of diseases, their development and control. Plant diseases are caused by biotic agents like fungi, bacteria, actinomycetes, mycoplasma, viruses, and biotic agents like unfavorable environment conditions, nutritional deficiencies. There are different branches of plant pathology. First, microbiology means study of microorganisms. Bacteriology means study of bacteria. Virology means study of viruses. Mycology means study of fungi. Nematology means study of nematology. Protozoology means study of protozoa, and phycology means study of algae. There are different objectives of plant pathology. Plant pathology is one among the branches of agriculture science which deals with the etiology, resulting losses, and management of plant diseases with four major objectives. First, study of diseases or disorders caused by biotic and abiotic agents. Biotic agents like fungi, bacteria, viruses, and abiotic agents like nutritional deficiencies, unfavorable environment conditions. Second, study of mechanism of disease development by the pathogen, how the disease occur in plants by pathogens like virus, bacteria, and various fungus. Study of interaction between plant pathogen in relation to overall environment. The interaction between virulent pathogen, favorable environment conditions, and susceptible host susceptible host. Fourth, development of suitable management strategies for managing the diseases and losses caused by them. Then, scope of the plant pathology. Plant pathology comprises with the basic knowledge and techniques of the botany, plant anatomy, plant physiology, mycology, bacteriology, virology, and many other branches of the applied sciences. Plant pathology deals with the different aspects of the and diseases and has wider scope than human pathology, which only deals with the only one aspect. In recent years, plant pathologists have begun to specialize in particular aspects, the field in which notable advances have been made. The interaction between host and pathogen at chemical, molecular, and genetic level, plant virology, and disease forecasting. Importance of the plant diseases. No doubt, the plant provides us food, fiber, drugs, building material, and many other countless products for our daily use. It is also beyond doubt that healthy plant produces healthy products and better yields. On the other hand, the diseased plant yield less and unhealthy products. Plant diseases sometimes spread as epiphytotics and destroy the crop growing in very large areas. They damage the crops growing in the field as well as storage products. The diseases can occur at any time and at any stage of the plant growth, from the time of sowing to the storage of the products, cause a great economic loss as well as wastage of the labors. In India alone, food grains amounting crores of rupees are being destroyed every year due to crop diseases. These are the various importance of the plant disease. We will see different examples of the plant diseases. First, lead blight of potato. Lead blight of potato. It is fungal disease caused by Phytophthora infestans in Ireland in 1840. The famine due to lead blight of potato is known as Ireland famine. Then coffee rust caused due to fungus Hemilia vestratrix in Sri Lanka in 1867. Downy mildew of grapes in France in 1880. Leaf spot of rice caused by Helminthosporium oryza. It is fungal type of disease caused in Bengal. The famine is known as Bengal famine. Red rot of sugarcane caused due to Phycophthora techuinensis. These are the examples of fungal diseases of the plant.